Is there a spirit using the teddy bear as a vessel? If there is a spirit using the teddy bear as a vessel, can you move this crystal for me, please? Is there a spirit named Autumn that is using this teddy bear as a vessel? If you are with me, Autumn, can you move this crystal for me, please? Can you move this crystal for me if there is a spirit that is using the teddy bear as a vessel? Is there a spirit named Autumn that is with me right now? Can you move this crystal for me, please? Is there a spirit named Shania with me in this room right now? Is there a spirit named Shania that is using the porcelain doll as a vessel right now? Thank you, Shania. Can you tell me again what your age is, Shania? That's 2. Is there a second number in your age? That's 28. Were you 28 years old when you passed away, Shania? Were you 28 years old when you passed away, Shania? Okay, stop, Shania. Stop moving the crystal. Stop moving the crystal. Were you 28 years old when you passed away, Shania? Were you 28 years old when you passed away, Shania? Okay, thank you. Can you stop moving the crystal for me now, please? Can you stop moving the crystal now for me, please? How many spirits are in this room with me right now? How many spirits are in this room with me right now? One. Thank you, Shania. Thank you.